An Egyptian court ordered the release of two jailed Al-Jazeera journalists today pending retrial, after they spent more than 400 days in prison in a case that sparked worldwide outrage. Mohamed Fahmy, who is Canadian and whose family hoped he would be deported, must pay £250,000 Egyptian pounds $33,000 bail, while his colleague, Egyptian Baher Mohamed, was freed on his own recognizance along with other defendants. The case was adjourned until February 23, the court said. Fahmy and Mohamed appeared in white prison uniforms before the Cairo court, after Australian colleague Peter Greste was deported home earlier this month. The three were accused of supporting the blacklisted Muslim Brotherhood and originally jailed for between 7 and 10 years each. The case has been a major source of embarrassment for President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi as he seeks to shore up international support following a widely condemned crackdown on the opposition. Fahmy had renounced his Egyptian citizenship to benefit from a law that allows the deportation of foreign defendants and which led to Greste's release. On today's first session of the retrial, Fahmy's defense asked the court to free him. Fahmy himself was then allowed out of the caged dock to address the judge. "I didn't ask to drop my Egyptian nationality," he said, his arm in a blue sling from an accident he had suffered before his arrest in December 2013. "A security official visited me and asked I drop my citizenship because the state wanted to get this case done with. It had become a nightmare," Fahmy said before pulling out a large Egyptian flag. Greste was on the judge's roll call of defendants at the start of the trial. "He's not here, sir," responded a police officer when the judge called out his name. The three journalists had spent more than a year in jail before an appeals court ordered a retrial, saying the prosecution had failed to prove its case. Sisi passed a law by decree last year allowing foreigners to be deported to their home countries to stand trial or serve out their sentences. Canada last week said Fahmy's release was imminent but voiced concern that he had not been freed upon renouncing his nationality. "We are in shock and we feel that the Canadian government has failed in getting Mohamed out," Obama said. The Canadian ambassador was inside the courtroom before the start of the trial. Please subscribe the video.